Hello everyone, welcome to Team 5's presentation of Iteration 4 for the full CapaCiTi system. The team consists of Abdulrehman, Anesu, Cynthia and myself, Gordon. Today we will start with a presentation outlining the work that has been covered in Iteration 4. We will then move on to a demonstration of the system looking at both the front end and the back end. But first, here's a quick animation that will cover the project background, key processes, and business problems.
Hi there, I'm the Head of Partnership Development in the Skills Development Division at the Cape Innovation and Technology Initiative, which is also known as CiTi. This is where the magic happens, where we play an integral role in catalyzing and supporting the Cape Town tech ecosystem. We are a non-profit company with a mission to build a future-proof, inclusive society through technology and innovation. Our core business objective is to uplift the local community by reducing the digital divide and creating employment opportunities for people from various communities. As the Head of Partnership Development, I play an important role, and that is to ensure that we are in a position to recruit and train young employed South Africans in preparation for the next opportunity that comes their way. In order to ensure of this, there are key processes that I engage with on a day-to-day basis, which include searching the market for funding partners, also known as prospects. I also write up bidding proposal documents to submit to partner organizations when I find an appropriate funder that aligns with our business goals. From time to time, I liaise with a variety of stakeholders within prospect organizations. Lastly, I have to generate reports for internal executive meetings and external stakeholder meetings. These reports need to highlight various insights such as how much funding we have acquired and so on. We are currently facing the following business problems. With regards to the data management maturity, currently there are not many standard reports that exist that can be generated based off of the data that we are capturing. Because of this, the manual process of generating reports is very time-consuming. I am currently using Excel spreadsheets to store data and generate reports. Because they are stored in this format, I have found it quite difficult and time-consuming to extract information from these spreadsheets quickly. Also, SharePoint is being used as a repository, but unfortunately there is weak version control of the documents, and sometimes documents are misplaced or there are multiple versions of them with conflicting information. Data validation and reporting is another business problem we are experiencing. The Excel spreadsheets contain basic validation, which users can sometimes override. This causes problems because the data itself is not always clean and sometimes there are incomplete records, which causes confusion and have an impact on my eventual reporting. The program pipeline is manually updated for reporting purposes currently, which is a very time-consuming process to update, and it is also very static and not in real time. The third problem is that there is no dashboard to provide a brief business overview at a glance. This is a problem because I need to be able to make quick decisions and focus my efforts on networking with prospect organizations, rather than spending time generating reports manually. Now that you have a little bit of context, I'll now hand over to Team 5.
Based off the project background and problems the PDL is facing, the system objectives are as follows. Develop a secure, web-based system to centrally store and report CapaCiTi data, avoiding the version control and access issues they are currently facing with their Excel spreadsheets. The second is to incorporate an interactive business dashboard into the system to provide business value to both internal and external stakeholders through the reporting functionality that it provides. The third is to include data input validity checks when creating and editing records. This will ensure that the data is accurate and valuable for report generation. And the fourth objective is to apply automation in the form of alerts, reminders, filtering and sorting to the presentation of the data to reduce the report generation time, giving Soraya more opportunity to network and engage with the prospects. Here is a brief visual overview of the system structure. In this example, you can see that one organization can have one or more prospects presented to them. The prospects can contain one or more programs, and the programs are made up of a combination of one or more projects.